Welcome back to my channel at kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please follow Chicks TV PH, like and share. And because Christmas is coming, we're going to make a traditional delicious rice cake, our bibingka. Bibingka is particularly common in the Christmas season during Simbang Gabi or midnight masses occurring a couple of weeks before Christmas Day. Come and join me to feel the spirit of Christmas! At ito ang ating mga ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 pieces salted eggs, 2 pieces fresh eggs, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of coconut milk, half cup of white sugar, half cup of water, 100 grams grated cheddar cheese. So let's start! At ito ang ating all-purpose flour. Naglagay ako ng salt at maglalagay na rin ako ng baking powder. At haluin na natin siya using our wire whisk. By the way nga pala mga friendship, make sure na sinala nyo ang ating flour before you mix the wet ingredients. Naglagay na rin ako ng ating sugar. And also our eggs. Add the melted butter and ang ating coconut milk. So, pwede na natin siyang haluin lahat. Haluin nyo lang siya ng haluin hanggang maging pinong-pino. Oo nga pala, nag-add na rin ako kanina dito ng half cup of water. Haluin lang din natin siya ng haluin hanggang maging pino na ang ating mixture. So, ngayon naman nag-add na ako ng ating grated cheese. Para sa akin, mas gusto ko siyang nilalagay ang cheese dito sa ating batter. Pero sa iba naman, they added halfway of baking time. Ayan, nakikita nyo mga friendship, yung mixture natin medyo kumakapal na. This time, pwede na natin siyang i-transfer sa ating prepared pan. Since hindi tayo gagamit ng palayok at wala rin naman tayong llanera, gagamit tayo ng lock and lock microwavable glass. And of course, pinainitan ko na ang ating banana leaf sa apoy. Ginagawa natin yon para mamatay din ang bakterya na nandoon sa dahon. So ngayon, nagsasalin na ako ng ating mixture sa ating prepared pan. And naglagay na rin ako ng salted egg sa ibabaw. And add a little bit cheese on the top. This time naman, gumamit rin ako ng microwavable bowl. And medyo malaki din siya. Same thing, ulitin lang din natin kung paano yung ginawa natin kanina. Again, naglagay ako ng salted egg sa ibabaw. Since yung bowl natin is medyo malaki, maglalagay ako ng medyo maraming salted eggs. And more cheese on the top. Ayan, at nakagawa tayo ng 3 bowls from our mixtures. Ito yung una and pangalawang bowl, at ito naman yung pangatlong bowl. Pinainitan ko na rin ang ating oven to 200 degrees Celsius, and syempre ibibake natin siya for 20 to 25 minutes or until maging golden brown.
A few moments later.
This is it, friendship! Ang bango! Wow! And of course, brush with butter and sprinkle some grated cheese on the top. Pwede rin kayong mag-add ng pinch of anato or atsuete powder dun sa butter. Haluin nyo and then yun yung i-brush nyo sa ating bibingka. Ginagawa ng iba yon para yung pinakaibabaw ng bibingka mas magbabago ng kulay tulad nito. And this is our finished product, our bibingka! Shout out to our friendship Aaron Madasigan and Romelyn Garcia. And thank you to all our friendship who followed us in Facebook and subscribed to our YouTube channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!